Hello, and if you're here, you are wondering how to pronounce this word. Well, good news for you. I'm here to teach you how to pronounce it. Because this word is pronounced Joe, Joseph, Jospeth, Joe Jr., Joe, Joseph Jr., just jammed, Jan's jaw into the jaw just using jackhammers. Let's hear that one more time. Joe, Joseph, Jospeth, Joe, Jr., Joe, Joseph, Jr. just jammed Jan's jaw into the jaw just using jackhammers. I hope you learned how to pronounce this word and that you will be able to pronounce it from now on. Please leave a like and subscribe to the Professional Pronunciation YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out our Roblox merch in the description down below. Also, in the Discord server, there is a regular word suggestions channel, and once you reach level 10, there is an immediate word suggestion channel, and if you put your word suggestions in that, they will be pronounced immediately. Anyway, have a good day or night. Thank you for learning how to pronounce this word.